everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make pesto chicken sandwich, which will serve about 5 people. For the marination portion of this recipe, you would need 5 to 6 fillets of chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. To marinate the chicken, add oil, black pepper, and salt. Mix everything well, and then add the chicken and mix well. When done marinating the chicken, cover and refrigerate until you are ready to grill or cook in a pan. Next, I will show you how to make basil walnut pesto sauce. For this recipe, you would need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup walnuts, 1/3 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of garlic, roasted or fresh, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste. You will also need 1/3 cup of olive oil. Pulse the basil, walnuts, pulse a little bit, next add cheese, the Parmesan cheese, garlic, lemon juice, then pulse a little bit. Next, add olive oil, salt and pepper. Pulse until everything is blended together and relatively smooth. Store leftover pesto in a jar or sealable container. Tightly seal and refrigerate for up to 1 week. To assemble the pesto panini sandwich, you would need grilled chicken, grill the chicken evenly on both sides. After grilling or baking, you can leave as is or cut into strips. spinach and arugula mix, fresh mozzarella cheese, thinly sliced tomatoes, pesto sauce, mayonnaise, and sourdough bread. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.